The Minister of Transportation, Rotimi Ameachi, says the federal government will commence the Kaduna-Kano Standard Gauge Railway, pending the loan approval by the National Assembly. Ameachi made the disclosure at the inspection of the Lagos-Ibadan Standard Gauge Railway, ahead of its inauguration in Moniya, Ibadan, on June 10.
I pray that President should continue with the way he's going, not listen to anybody once he makes up his mind that this is right for the country. Once what he thinks is right for the country is what he's supposed to do, he will do it. So when he say Ibadan Kano, I want it done like yesterday. But there are processes, and the president is a man of process. One of the processes is that we have to borrow money. But I've announced that we will no longer wait for the loan. We will go ahead and we'll proceed with Kano Kaduna, because we've made some advancements, financial advancements from our budget, and we still have money for budget this year, which will mean that we will pay like 1/3 of the money this year before this budget will expire. Then by the time they get the loan, they'll continue. That I'm sure of. When we get the loan, they will continue for Ibadan to Abuja. Because if you don't finish from Lagos to Kano, it makes no economic sense.
The Minister of Information, Alhaji Lai Mohammed, noted that the Transportation Minister was ensuring that all outstanding issues on the rail line construction had been addressed before the date set for the inauguration.
And by showing concrete evidence like this one, that this administration is focused, is committed to delivering infrastructure to Nigerians. With this railroad completed, we're cutting down the travel time between Lagos and Ibadan hours. More importantly, are creating jobs along the line, and of course, it's by far much more safer than traveling by